Lesson 37, areas of combined polygons. Combined polygons are basically just where you have two shapes and they're put together to make one shape. So what you do to find the areas is you just divide the shape into smaller parts. So that's kind of the key to this lesson. Just divide it up, find the area of each part, and then add them together, and you'll get the area of the whole thing. So we're going to do some examples. We're going to draw a big shape here. Okay. And we're going to find the area of this shape. So we can divide it up. You want to look for like rectangles and triangles and things that you know how to find the area of. So if I were to divide this straight down, that wouldn't really work because this isn't a shape I'm familiar with. So I would go across this way, and I would have a rectangle, and then I'd have this triangle up here that I can take a shape, the area of. And this will be a right triangle. So really all I need to do is find the height and the base, multiply them together and divide by 2 for the area of the triangle. The area of the rectangle, I'm going to take all the way across times the height. So 4 times 10 would give me the area of the rectangle. So 4 feet times 10 feet is 40 feet squared. And I like to just put that 40 right in there so I remember the rectangle was 40. For the triangle, I'm going to have to figure out the base. Well, since the whole thing is 10, this part is 6, the base is going to be 4 feet. Question?
So wouldn't we basically get 7 minus 4 is 3.
3.
Multiply 3, 4, and get 12 divided by 2, get 6 feet.
Yep. So we just do the base, 4 feet times 3 feet, and divide it by 2. So you have 6 feet squared. So I'm going to put a 6 right in there. So I have 40 plus 6. The area of the whole figure is 46 feet squared. We're going to do one more example of a figure that's a combined polygons. Whoops, this doesn't look to scale, does it? That looks smaller than that one, but that's supposed to be 6 feet. Whoops. And then this whole height right here is 10 feet. So I'm going to divide this up into a triangle on top of a rectangle. So if I find the area of the rectangle, I have, well, it's supposed to be a square, but doesn't look very good. But 6 feet times 6 feet will just give me the area of this rectangle. 36 feet squared. That's the area of the bottom part. The triangle, we do base times height. So the base is this part right here, which is 6 feet, same as the bottom of the figure. And the height is just perpendicular distance straight up. So since this is 6 feet, the whole thing's 10, our height is 4 feet. So we have to remember for a triangle, it's 6 feet times 4 feet, and then we have to divide by 2. So that will be 12 feet squared, and we add those together. So this one was 36, this one was 12. We add them together, and we get 48 feet squared. which is then the area of this whole, the whole figure. And that's the end of the lesson.